Hello and welcome to today's tutorial, Manipulating Charts, Part 1. A graph can be manipulated using the three tabs on the ribbon, Design, Layout and Format. These tabs are only visible on the ribbon when a chart is selected. Remember, every chart created in Excel should have an appropriate title. To add titles to a selected chart, use the tools available on the Labels toolbar under the Layout tab. To add a chart title, click the Chart Title tool and then select the title position. Once the chart title has been added, click the cursor into the text box to edit it. Use the backspace key on the keyboard to delete the content of the text box. Axis titles can be added and edited in a similar way to the chart title. The axis titles are also available on the Labels toolbar under the Layout tab. Watch how I add a horizontal axis title to the selected chart. Like the chart title, to edit the axis title, click the cursor into the text box. When naming an axis, try to use meaningful names. A vertical axis title is added to a chart in the same way, using the Axis Titles tool. Unlike the horizontal axis, the vertical axis has different title positions available. Again, click into the Axis Title text box to edit the content. A legend is a color-coded key which helps to identify the chart entries. The legend can be moved to a different position in the chart area or removed altogether. Watch how I use the Legend tool found on the Labels toolbar to remove the chart legend. Without the legend, it may be difficult to identify what each column represents. This time I will position the legend at the bottom of the chart area. A data table shows the information which is being represented by the chart. A data table can be added to the chart using the Data Table tool situated on the Labels toolbar. To remove a data table, use the Data Table tool and select None from the menu. The background color of the chart area can be manipulated to make the chart content stand out. To do this, right-click on the chart area and select Format Chart Area from the menu. In the Format Chart Area dialog box, ensure the Fill category is selected. Selecting Solid Fill will change the chart area to one solid color. Gradient Fill will change the chart area to a gradient between two or more colours. There are also many preset gradients to choose from. Pattern Fill will change the chart area to a pattern with a background and foreground colour. There are many pattern styles to choose from. The colours of the pattern can also be changed. Picture or texture fill can be used to add a textured background to the chart area. There are different textures to choose from. To exit the Format Chart Area dialog box, click the Close button. The plot area, the inside area of a chart, can also be manipulated like the chart area. To edit the plot area, right-click on the inside of the chart and select Format Plot Area. The fill options available to edit the plot area are the same as the ones I used earlier. Watch how I change the fill used to format the plot area. Click the Close button to exit the Format Plot Area dialog box.